Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General. And man, let me go ahead and tell you all, it is going to be an epic week for clearance and penny shopping. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, here's your quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded several other Dollar General videos for you all this week. So if you missed out on any of these, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to have them all linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right into our new clearance markdowns for this week at Dollar General. And these will begin starting on Tuesday, February the 21st. Alright, so first up, starting on Tuesday, February the 21st, we're going to have our Super Bowl party supplies going down to 70% off. So here's a quick look at all of the visuals and UPC codes that are included in this category. Alright, next up we have our Valentine's Day candy going down to 50% off starting on Tuesday. Now you guys let me know down in the comment section below if you would like me to make a video specifically for the Valentine's Day candy visuals and UPC codes. Alright, now next up, we're going to jump all the way down to 90% off with our Valentine's Day stationery and party supplies and our Valentine's Day socks. So those will all be going down to 90% off starting on Tuesday, which means that they all should penny out very, very soon. So definitely keep your eyes out for these. Here's a few of the visuals and UPC codes that I have found so far at my stores. Alright, next up we have our Valentine's seasonal items going down to 90% off. So be on the lookout for all of those stuffed animals, the signs, all of our home decor items. So here are just a few of the pictures and UPC codes that I have. Again, let me know down in the comment section if you want to see a video specifically for the Valentine's Day seasonal items with pictures and UPC codes. Alright, our next category is very, very exciting. We have our Valentine's Day gift sets going down to 90% off starting on Tuesday. So this will be a huge day for clearance shopping. Now, I want to let you guys know that I have already put together that Valentine's gift set visual video for you all, and that one will be ready to go just as soon as this one is uploaded. I'm going to go ahead and make that one live. Now, I do need to give y'all a little heads up on this video because I did record the voiceover for that video a couple of days ago before I received this new clearance markdown list. So, in that video, I do say that the last clearance markdown was on the 15th, and those were at 50% off. So just keep that in mind that we are going into a new week, and these will be 90% off starting on Tuesday. And believe me when I say there are tons and tons and tons and tons of visuals and UPC codes and a lot of name brand gift sets included in that video. So make sure that y'all go and check it out. Alright guys, now we're going to go ahead and jump right into our penny list for Tuesday, February the 21st. And I'm just going to go ahead and tell you all this is an epic penny list. Alright, so first up, we have a few of the Bertolli pasta sauces. So we have our Alfredo sauce going down to a penny, the Bertolli olive oil and garlic sauce going down to a penny, and our Bertolli tomato and basil pasta sauce going down to 1 penny. Alright, now next up, we have our Black Forest gummy bears going down to 1 penny. We also have our Black Jack bubble gum also going down to 1 penny. Then we also have this clove bubble gum also going down to 1 penny, as well as our double mint single packs of bubble gum. Now, I also want to go ahead and give you all a quick heads up that a lot of these items are going to be found up near the registers. All right, next up we have our Mixed Berry Funnables fruit snacks. Again, these are the little single bags. Then we also have our Dark Caramel Sea Salt Ghirardelli squares, also just the little singles. All right, next up we have our Caramel Brownie Cowtails, also found up near the registers, as well as our Golden Graham Treat Bars. Now, the next couple of items, I would definitely check out the regular candy section as well as on the end caps. So you want to be on the lookout for the Haribo gummy bears in pineapple and watermelon flavor. And I will go ahead and let you all know that these are really, really good because I picked up some a few months back when they hit 90% off at Walgreens. All right, next up we have our Jack Link's Beefsteak Original Strips going down to 1 penny. Then next up we have 2 of the Jack Link's Beef Strips Teriyaki flavored. These are 2 different sizes, so really be on the lookout for those. All right, next up we have our Wrigley's Juicy Fruit Gum going down to just 1 penny. Next, we have our M&M's Classic Mix share size bags. Now, keep in mind that these are the smaller share size bags, not the big, ginormous share size bags. And then we also have our M&M's Peanut Mix share size bags, and all of those should be found up near the registers. All right, moving right along, we have our Mamba Fruit Chews going down to just 1 penny, as well as our Milky Way 100-calorie bars. All right, next up, we have our Monster Reserve watermelon flavored energy drinks going down to just 1 penny. Next up, we have our single Quaker Chewy chocolate chip bars. Then we also have our Quaker Chewy Fruity Fun granola bars in apple and strawberry flavors. All right, next up we have our Snack Break Coconut Wafer Rolls. Again, you can find these up near the register. All right, next up we have our Snack Club Peanuts, and I'm not quite sure how to say the name of that flavor, so I'm not even going to try. All right, next up we have our Starburst Duos going down to just 1 penny. And we also have our Sweet Smiles Assorted Rope Bites going down to just 1 penny. Then we also have our Nestle Sweet Tarts Candy Theater Boxes going down to 1 penny. And we also have our Welch's Juicifuls Mixed Fruit Flavored bags going down to 1 penny, as well as the single bags of the Welch's Super Fruit Flavored Gummies, along with our Welch's single bags of Fruit Punch Flavored Gummies. And we also have another Welch's Fruit Snacks Mixed Fruit bag of gummies. All right, now next up, here's one that I'm really, really excited about. We have the World's Finest chocolate bars going down to just 1 penny, and we have a lot of different flavors to choose from. So we've got the almond, the caramel bars, the crisp bars, the dark chocolate bars, as well as the milk chocolate bars, all going down to just 1 penny starting on Tuesday, February the 21st. And last but not least, we have our sugar-free peppermint flavored 5 gum going down to just 1 penny. All right, guys, so there you have it for our new penny list for this week at Dollar General. And since there were so many items included in this week's penny list, I went ahead and made a cheat sheet for you guys. We have a total of 41 items on this penny list this week. So here are 3 slides with everything listed and all of their UPC codes right beside them. Now, your girl went ahead and took this a step further for you all this week, and I did make 2 slides with all of the pictures of all the items that are included on our penny list for this week. So there are 2 slides with all of the pictures that you need, all the items that you need to be on the lookout for, and like I said, all these items will be a penny starting on Tuesday, February the 21st. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but don't forget to go and check out that Valentine's gift set visual video. I put in a lot of time and effort into making that one for you all, so please go and check it out just as soon as y'all are done here. And if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on, go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It is completely free, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. Good luck with your clearance and penny shopping this week, and I will see you guys on the next one.